As we age, our homes and lifestyles change, and it's time to consider downsizing your home. Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey, realtor owner of Vicki Sells Grand Strand at eXp Realty. We can truly appreciate that you might have concerns about leaving your comfortable and familiar home, but downsizing your home can have many benefits. Here are some reasons why you should consider downsizing your home. Number one, financial savings. A smaller home is often cheaper to maintain with lower taxes, insurance, and utility costs. These financial savings can give you more freedom and security in your retirement years. Number two, more convenient living. Downsizing your home can also mean downsizing your possessions. With less stuff, you can have a more organized and manageable home, making your daily life easier and more comfortable. Number three, access to amenities. Many 55 and over communities offer a range of amenities and activities such as swimming pools, golf courses, pickleball and tennis, and different clubs. This can give you an opportunity to socialize, stay active, and enjoy your life. Number four, access to services. Moving into a smaller home and a 55 over community can also give you access to medical facilities, shopping centers, and essential services. This can make your daily life much more convenient and hassle-free. Number five, home upkeep. As we age, maintaining a larger home may become more difficult at times and more time-consuming. By downsizing your home, you can free up time and energy to focus on the things that you love. We've created a series of videos to dig deeper into the common concerns people have when it comes to downsizing. We'll take a deep dive into the benefits of downsizing and share practical tips to make it less daunting. Bottom line, downsizing your home may be a difficult decision, but it can also be a liberating and exciting chapter in your life. If you're considering downsizing your home, reach out to me and my team. We will help you make the most of your investment and find the perfect home that fits your new lifestyle. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki Harvey, and remember, it's not just a house, it's your home.